these other pages as well, which make up this beautiful pad. And the colour palette is absolutely gorgeous. We've got this beautiful big clock, the cat, all the different ones. Yeah, so it's really, really nice. And then you've got all these elements that you can cut out. Okay, so that's the I was going to say the album then. That's the actual pad. With the pad, I'm going to give you 4 sheets of A4 black cardstock, 2 sheets of the, basically like a baby pink, really a pastel pink really I should say, to match the pad. You've got pastel yellow to match the pad, and you've got a pastel to green to match the pad. And then you've actually got a 12 by 12 sheet, which also works with this. And then you've got a set of embellishments, gems, flowers, metal butterflies. You've got your little dewdrops, and you've got some envelopes, and you've got your brad for your window. So that's the actual kit itself. So, and this is only £9.95. So this is the whole kit. We only got limited stock. So if you do want it, then we need to be quick. Yep. So let me just move that out of the way and try not to throw it all away. Let me go through this album. Now, this is probably one of the easiest albums to make, and I have to thank Pip for that, because she likes to do this style as well, and I think it's a really nice way to work. I haven't stuck these flowers down, so when they fall off, you'll know why. So the easiest way to do this album is to take your A4 sheets and just work with your A4 sheets. Take your A4 sheets and score at 8.5 inches. Okay, so when you score at 8.5 inches, you will be left with the width at the end, and then just fold that over, and that's what becomes this fold here. And then these all get glued together as each page. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I mentioned in the book, let me just show you, that there's this beautiful window page. So what I've done is I've taken this page, I've cut these bits out and raised them. I've also raised the window and cut through the middle, and you get a brad which you will then put through to your little door, which then opens. You've got the metal butterflies, you're going to get some flowers, you're going to get this little wooden birdie. All of the papers are in the book, so it's up to you how you want to decorate it. Okay, so if I go through, I'm just going to take these flowers back over here. If I go through this, obviously this would lie flat if you didn't have the flowers at the front. You've got another page from the book, and you've got these circular tags we talked about. You've got the metal butterflies and those beautiful dewdrops, which really do make this page. Got the envelopes, which I'm going to give you as well. So you've got this image in the book, and so these are the A4 sheets. So the way I've done it is I've just basically stuck them on and then folded them over, so that you get the use of the whole A4 sheet without having to cut it. If you want to cut it, you can, and do different types of pockets. This is just a small demonstration. You're going to get the flowers. You get this beautiful 12 by 12 sheet, which then allows you to make this lovely little pocket here, which is really nice. And then you've got this bit here as well with the little envelope, which you'll get, and the little flower. You may have to add some of your own little bits or your own papers, but generally you've got most of the album there. These little envelopes, again, I've just made little pockets. Got the beautiful flowers, which you'll get. You'll get your little set of pink gems as well, and then you can add all that together as well. And again, you've got another envelope here, so you will get 3 envelopes, and you'll get 3 butterflies. You'll get all the dewdrops, and you get over, I think it's quite a lot of gems as well. I've given you extra gems so that you can add them wherever you want to. And as you can see, this is lovely, and this is with the pink sort of pastel papers, and works really, really well with these 2 pages. And again, I've added some of the circles here, some of the tags there, and really you could carry on. I've just made it so that you can have a little look. And then the last page you've got this beautiful clock, and again you've got another circular bit which goes in there. I've left the back page quite plain because then it's flat when you've got it there. Okay, so let me just put my little, so I'm just going to take my flowers out so that you can see that. So you can add more to it. So all I did was I had some flowers lying around, and I've just added them to the side. but it just gives you some sort of idea of how that can look. Okay, so let me just go through that once more with you. All you've got is an A4, you're scoring it at 8.5 inches, you're folding that over and you're sticking all of those together one after the other, and it gives you this beautiful book. And you can do this with any size album. Okay, so you've got this really, really lovely book. Just quickly go through that with you again. Absolutely gorgeous, all opening. There we go. You can put some of your little bits in here. Got a little cat in here. I love this page, this double spread. I think it's beautiful. And then you've got the lovely clock on the back. So it's really lovely. And obviously you could carry on adding pages to this. It just comes out so, so beautiful. It's really, really nice to work with. Okay, so I just wanted to say it's a bit lopsided. Say thank you very much, and obviously have a look and see what you think. If you've got any questions, drop me a message. But it's a very easy album to put together, and the kit is only £9.95, and you get all of this. So that's a lot there. I want to say a big thank you and happy crafting. Bye for now.